ಓಕೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಆಯ್ತು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅವತ್ತಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಈಗ
ಪೀಠದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು
ಅಸಹಾಯಕರಾಗುವಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ
RSS ನವರು
ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ
ನಾನು ನಾವು ಎದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಎದ್ದಿದ್ದಾಗ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಅವರು ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು.
ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ
ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 10 ಗಂಟೆ ತನಕ ನಡೆಸಿರಿ, 10 ಗಂಟೆ ತನಕ ಬಂದು ನೀವು ಅಸಹಾಯಕತೆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತ
ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಸಹಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆಯನ್ನು ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳೇ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಸಮಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರದೆ ಈ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳೇ ಆ ಒಂದು ಗೌರವ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ.
All the MLAs are elected members who are respected by the society, and they are not only represented here in the legislative house to make the legislation discussion on the different subject of the state. They should be an inspiration model for the younger generation also. So there is a system, and according to the system, this MLA should take part in the assembly. One, they should attend the assembly compulsory. Second thing, there is a rules and regulation of the assembly. They should follow that. I can understand emotionally or sometimes politically that spontaneous something issues happens, but they should understand their responsibility and they should work to the better, the personality, so the entire society looks at them. And that's very important nowadays.
So how do you see the behavior? Do you get frustrated by the behavior? Because
No.
The society.
See, that I'm not frustrated, but we have to manage all these things and go. Ultimately, protest is the beauty of Indian democracy. So protest in assemblies will be there. But there should some systems, they like when one person is talking unnecessary, that's sitting and talking. There's a system they should request to take the permission of the chair or the person who's talking, then they should talk. That they should be followed. They can't talk then and there from every place. Action is not only a remedy. We have to slowly rectify and take it forward.